Hi everyone, I am Ryan Michael Galloway with We Don't Need No Stinking Record Company.com, and I'm still talking to Madeline Sklar of MadelineSklar.com, and she is the indie music coach, and lots of expertise in a lot of different areas, helping independent musicians get better at what they're doing. And Madeline, we were coming into kind of a new segment here tonight where we're going to talk about what's new with you and maybe some new things you've discovered out there. So I'm just going to kind of let you take it. I'm not even going to set you up. What do you think?
Okay, thanks, Ryan. Well, being that I'm a techie in the music business, I'm always staying on top of what's new and what's cutting edge, and I'm usually one of the first people out there in the music business trying it out. For example, I was Twittering 2 years ago at the ASCAP Expo before it was mainstream, and most people had never even heard of Twitter. And I was already out there doing the microblogging live from a really large music event. I thought that was really cool.
Awesome.
Well, here's what's going on right now, and the two things that I've been getting myself into that I think are really great for indie artists to consider. One is a website called Ustream, and it's ustream.tv, and basically it is live internet broadcast using video. So it's live video, and also it can be archived, so you can actually have recorded video on there as well. I've been using this the last several months through my site, GoGirlsMusic.com, and what I've been doing is live broadcasting at showcase events we've been putting on. And I did this at Folk Alliance, which is in Memphis every February. It's a large music conference, and we're heavily involved with it. We do showcases day and night, and what I did is I did live broadcasting of our showcases. And if you want to go check it out, just go to ustream.tv and go to the search box and type in Go Girls Live, and you can find us there. Now, here's a cool story, Ryan, of what happened in showing you the power of utilizing a service like this and getting that whole community aspect involved with this. We were broadcasting live at Folk Alliance. One of our Go Girls, her name is Shelly King. She's a pretty big deal out of Austin, Texas. She was about to go on, and her and I were in the hallway talking. So she said, hey, what's the address for the live webcast? Because I'm going to go Facebook it on my phone right now and let my fans know. So 5 minutes before she goes on there, puts it on Facebook, puts the link on. I'm doing the live broadcast. There's also a chat room on Ustream. So I'm in the chat room chatting with people. It attracts this guy from NewOrleansMusicRadio.com. And this guy is in love with what we're doing. He's a big fan of Shelly King, so that's why he was there. He saw her Facebook post, loved what we were doing, and decided to take our live feed and pump it into his internet radio station live.
Perfect.
By that evening, he had over 7,000 people tuning in to his internet radio station listening to our showcase room.
That's
all
awesome.
because of that Ustream broadcast we were doing.
That's
and it was
That's the
phenomenal.
power. That's the power of time altogether. That's really cool.
Exactly. So I
Yeah.
was just completely wowed by this. And Ustream is a free site. It's free to broadcast. It's easy to use. I'm actually putting together a how-to package to teach artists and bands and promoters and house concert people, anybody that wants to learn how to do this. I'm putting together a whole how-to package. It's not hard to do. I did this at South by Southwest last month as well. It has just been incredible, the feedback I'm getting. And the newest thing, here that's new, but I've even gone a whole nother step ahead of that, and even newer now. I just launched yesterday the Go Girls Music Radio Hour on Ustream. And you can find that by going to ustream.tv and searching for Go Girls Music Radio. And what I'm doing is combining internet radio with live video. So you see me as the live DJ talking about the artist and then playing their music.
Very
It is
cool.
really, really cool. I'm getting great feedback from it. So
That's
I
awesome.
think independent artists can do a lot with this technology. You can even download a free application on your iPhone or your Android phone, and you can broadcast live using your phone.
I've got a group that
Amazing. It's amazing.
I've got a group that I'm working with up in Joplin, Missouri right now. I'm just talking to them, kind of helping them put things together. And they are in a situation where they've got to broaden their reach around the world because what they're doing is intellectually challenging. It's not going to be, acceptable to the average person, but people who like slightly challenging music or a little bit more are going to find it very interesting to listen to. Well, if you're going to do that, you got to broaden your reach around the world and not just in even within 500 miles of a place like Joplin, Missouri, there's just not enough population centers to feed that kind of an enterprise and make it work. And this would be the kind of thing that'd be perfect for them to reach out long distances and show what they're doing.
I think this could be really great for people who put on house concerts or even artists who do a lot of house concerts. And, if they just can't tour as much as they'd like, I know in this economy a lot of artists have not been able to tour the way they normally do, they could just set up their own little house concert in their home or rehearsal studio, set up a camera, set up a live broadcast, and broadcast live to reach their fans all over the world. And it can be a great way to, you can't make people pay to watch. It's not a pay-per-view thing, and actually Ustream does not allow that. So it's a free site for you to use as an artist. It's a free site for people to come and watch. But I think it'd be very cool to set this up on your site and maybe have a donation button next to it or a tip jar or something to encourage people to help support the artist. Hey, here's a free show.
Yeah.
Watch us and support us as well. So I see it as a win-win all around.
Yeah, or send them to your merch or your CD sales or your downloads or whatever, whatever people want. Yeah, no, that's fantastic.
Well, you can create a web page and have your merch on there. You can actually put it on your merch page and you just put up the widget. They give you the HTML widget code for the live Ustream broadcast.
Piece of cake.
So you could get very creative with that.
Yeah.
And another site I'm just really excited about that
Madeline, we're going a little long on this segment.
Okay.
Were you going to maybe go and talk about Foursquare a little bit?
Yeah, I wanted to talk about Foursquare. It's just a new and exciting site.
Let's do that in the next segment, if that's okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am Ryan Michael Galloway. I'm with Madeline Sklar. And, of course, my site's WeDon'tNeedNoStinkingRecordCompany.com, and Madeline's is MadelineSklar.com, and she is the indie music coach. I hope you're learning a whole lot. And we'll come back for the next post with some more stuff, and we're going to talk about Foursquare. Thanks.